What's up, guys? Thanks for clicking on this video. We're about to head out for a ride, but before I do anything else on this motorcycle, I've got to fix the whistling and the fairing. So I'm gonna do a couple things right now to this Memphis Shades Road Warrior fairing to see if that fixes the whistle. As you can see, the gap between my headlight and the fairing is just not even whatsoever. So I have an old ripped up cotton t-shirt here I'm gonna shove in there and on this ride, see if that helps the whistling issue. The only other thing I can think of is the windshield. It's kind of hard to see on this GoPro, but it fits pretty flush here. But as we come over, there's a slight gap. And then here on the side, the windshield and the fairing itself doesn't actually line up. So I'm wondering if that's where the whistle is coming from. So gonna do a little trial and error. Bike is filthy, pay no mind. But hopefully we can get it figured out. But all right, let's hop on the bike.
Well, so far, all I can hear is the exhaust. That's good news. I don't really hear the whistle. I feel like I might be hearing it a tiny bit, but that honestly might just be in my brain. So that's good news. I think I can go back home and just adjust the distance between the fairing and the headlight, and hopefully that solves the problem for good. But man, I hope you guys are doing good. It's officially spring here in Ohio, and I'm just like, a weight has been lifted off of my shoulders just knowing that there is light at the end of this tunnel. The trees are officially starting to bud, and I've never been so excited for spring. I feel this way every year, but every year it seems to intensify. Now I feel like I'm hearing a whistle inside my helmet. I'm losing my damn mind. I'm just trying my best to take the bike as many places as I possibly can for no reason whatsoever, because I gotta put some miles on this girl this year, man. I think I only put 6,000 miles on my bike last year, and you gotta think 2,500 of those miles were riding from Ohio to Florida and back. So I would like to put more miles on the bike this year, but as of right now, man, I just don't know how practical that's gonna be. How do you guys do it with full-time jobs? I just do not have the time to take to do long distance trips, and the time that I do have, it's booking up on my PTO, man. It's kind of an issue. I've already scheduled to use more than half of my PTO for less than half of the year, and that's concerning. Once again, I'm on my way to my PO box. Got some stuff in there I need to get, so I brought the Dyna with the leather pros. You know, I never really know how much stuff I'm gonna find. Usually it's just really sweet handwritten letters and postcards and stuff, so that doesn't take up much room at all. But I'm contemplating if I want to stop and get an iced coffee. It's pretty cold, so hot coffee should probably do me better, but I just love iced coffee. Want to go ahead and give you a little update on life now that we are tracking towards riding season. A lot of you guys have been asking about Momma Two Wheels. Where on earth has Momma Two Wheels been? She's been around, you know, I mean, like, it's cold, and we just, you know, I'm crazy, and I have a YouTube channel, so I ride way more than any normal person would. Momma Two Wheels is doing good, man. She got the bike running after sitting all winter on the trickle charger. She went out there, thought she was gonna have to jump the bike, and nope. Honda Shadow started up like a gem. So you will definitely be seeing more of Momma Two Wheels and dual rides with us together on the channel, don't worry. I think my little t-shirt just fell. I think my little rag just fell out of the fairing because it started whistling again. All right, well, I mean, at least I know what the problem is. That's all we were really doing here. Hey, buddy. Yes, I wave at scooters every single time. I will wave at anybody who's out riding. So fun fact, I'm actually riding dirty right now on the Dyna. You know, I don't know how it is in other states. Most normal people, when your registration for your vehicles expire, you just get online, buy a new one, they mail it to your house. Well, I did it the old school way. I wrote out a check and mailed it in the mail, and so I did that for both my car and my Harley. I wrote them a check, and I was anticipating getting my registration in the mail. Well, I did, and I didn't put it on until legitimately the day of my birthday, because I'm queen of procrastination like that. So I opened up the card, or I opened up the letter, and there was only one registration sticker in there, and it was for the car. So I tried to go to the BMV, Bureau of Motor Vehicles in Ohio, thank you, I tried to go to the BMV to see if I could get my sticker today, and they were closed. So just gonna try not to disturb any law enforcement. I think they say you have 30 days after your birthday to get it, but I'm just like, it's so frustrating. I'm like, yo, so where's that other check? Where's my $56 just floating around out there somewhere, not on my vehicle? Nice. I'm riding a little Miata. Man, it's freaking cold. I can't believe he had the roof down, but whatever. I'm out here on a motorcycle. Can't say much. Birds of a feather, baby.
12 seconds later.
Alrighty, got a couple goodies here. Oh, it didn't fly out. Look, it's still here. It fell down. That's why I could hear the whistling again. That is too funny. Alright, I'm just gonna hold on to this. Ugh, apparently I killed a bug. Alright, you guys keep asking me, how do I like these leather pros? How do I like these leather pros? You guys, I love the bags, man. Like, the bags are dope as hell, but me and zippers, just, I don't know what it is. Ever since I was a little kid, I just can't work zippers properly. So, getting in and out of them is a little tricky. All right. In and out, easy peasy. Oh, another thing. I'm thinking of all these things that you guys have asked and asked and asked and asked about, and I just don't remember. This little bag, a lot of people ask about this. It's just a little Molly bag. I got it on Amazon. It's linked down in the description. Super cheap. Okay, I've just made the decision that, yes, of course, I want coffee. It's nice and sunny. I can go and sit on a patio, read through my letters that you guys sent me, and drink a cup of coffee. Corvettes are coming out. Welcome to Ohio. It's so funny. I'm literally doing 25 miles an hour and I can hear the whistling. Oy. Man, I feel like in quite a few of my recent videos I've been taking you to a little duck is taking a bath. I don't know why I said that duck is just taking a bath. The duck is just in water because that's what ducks do. Jesus. But yeah, I feel like the past couple times we've been together on the bike, I've been taking you to go get coffee with me. You know, this is real. This is authenticity. This is not staged. I don't plan things out for you guys. I don't script these videos. It would take entirely way too much effort on my end. And if you know me at all, you know I'm lazy. Oh, you leaving? Don't mind if I do. Sorry, if you wanted this spot, you SOL. Nah, I probably would have given it to him because I'm in a good mood. Let's go get some coffee.
Three days later.
At this point, I feel personally victimized by GoPros because that's just, I've had 3 videos get ruined within the past couple weeks from my GoPro just absolutely refusing to work properly. Whatever. Sorry to wrap up this video in this way, guys, but we're back in my garage and I wanted to go ahead and show you that Jordan actually readjusted the width between the fairing and the headlight. So it's like evenly spaced all around now, and unfortunately, it's still whistling. So I got to figure out this whistle. I didn't have an issue with it last year for some reason. All of a sudden this year, it's just gotten really out of control, but we'll figure it out. It's not that big a deal. I don't mind. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry it was a short one. We're back home in Ohio. It's springtime. I'm having the time of my life with both of my bikes. So thank you so much for watching this video. And until my next one, you be good, and I will see you later.